Okay, for today we're going to make an arcade game online. So firstly we're going to go to bit.ly/o2game3, and once you type that in, that's going to take you to a website called Construct, and they're up to version 3 on Construct. Wait for that to load. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new project, call it anything, game, create. And what you've got is your canvas where your game will be, and some other things that you can change there. So if I double click on the white canvas, go down to sprite, I'm going to bring in and just click anywhere on the white canvas. I'm going to either draw or up to load an image from a file and bring in my goodie. So my goodie is going to be Iron Man, which I've brought in. Press the X, resize it. Okay, and now if I want to change the behavior, I click on behaviors, which is here, add a new behavior, and I want to add the 8 direction as well as bound to layout and scroll to. So bring those 3 in for your goodie. Number 2. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to bring in a baddie. So I double click on my white canvas, sprite, click anywhere, open or control O, and bring in my baddie, which is a monster. Press the X, resize it, and under behaviors, I'm going to make it a bullet. Press X, and then when I press play, it's probably going to go too fast because the speed is at 400. Yep, can't quite catch him. So if I change the speed for the baddie to 50, that will probably be a lot slower and easier for me to catch the baddie. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add a background. Again, double click, tiled background, click anywhere, open. Here's one that I made a little bit earlier. Press the X. Now I need to stretch that over the entire game screen, which is that. But I've got a problem. When I press play, all I can see is the background because the background's in the front. So I need to 2-finger tap on the background and under Z order, send to bottom of layer. Then it goes behind the sprites. Okay, how's it going to look now? Much better. Okay, and the final bit is under event sheet. I'm going to add an event that simply says when sprite 2, or when my baddie is colliding with me, I want something to happen. So when sprite 2 hits me, the action is the sprite 2 will destroy itself. When I click on go, yep, it's gone. Like and hit that notification button. It's got some free cards, gift cards to give out soon.